Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a crucial attack vector that often overlooked, LLMNR poisoning. So this vulnerability is generally occurred in many corporate environment, and we are going to show you how it can be exploited using the tool called Responder, and how we can capture the anti-LM version 2 hashes using Responder tools. And then I can also show you like how you can crack those hashes using Hashcat. First off, let's talk about what LLMNR actually is. So LLMNR stand for Link Local Multicast Name Resolution. It's a protocol that allows Windows machine to resolve host name on a local network when DNS fails. So, for example, if a machine try to reach out a host by name, but DNS doesn't have an answer, then the system falls back to LLMNR to resolve that name within the local network. But here's the problem is using the protocol, attacker can spoof the anti-LM hashes. Since it's broadcasting on a network, an attacker can respond to these LLMNR queries pretending to be the requested host. The attacker can essentially hijack the communication, causing the victim to send their login credentials, which are typically anti-LM hashes. This is where tool like Responder comes in. So here you can see a simple example like how LLMR attack works. So for example, if a victim can try to access any shared file or a shared folder on a network, and by mistake they enter a wrong name. So the server thought like, okay, the particular file, I don't have the particular files. So in that case, the machines is like broadcasting the file name to the every host in the network. And if attacker is in this case, like attacker just simply respond like, okay, I have the particular file, just send me your hashes and I will give you the access to the particular file. So like that, attacker can spoof the victim's anti-LM hashes, and later on they try to crack it, and the password is not good enough, like the user use a weak password, then it can be easily cracked using the tools like Hashcat or Zone the report. That type of tools we can use to crack the particular hashes. So let's jump into the practical side. To demonstrate this attack, we are going to use a tool called Responder. So Responder listen to LMNR request on a local network and respond to them, tricking the victim into sending over the credential. So here, how to get started. So first, we make sure our responder is installed. So it come pre-installed on the most of penetration testing OS like a Kali Linux or a Parrot. So if you don't have it, you can simply install it via apt. Just type a command called sudo apt get install responder, and it will be install your tool in your operating system. Okay, so now let's simulate our attack scenario. So first of all, you need to start your responder. So here, my network, my subnet is running on a VMnet 8. So I specified the VMnet 8. In your case, you have either a Ethernet 0, or you are running on a VLAN 0, or sometime you also have like a terminal like VPN terminal. Then you can mention the specific terminal here. So in my case, I have VMnet 8, so I specifically mentioned that. And now just click on enter. So now my responder is ready to capture the hashes. Okay, so here we just try to trigger any event. So we just try to access an attacker machine, which is 100.1, enter. And as you can see here, now we are successfully captured the anti-LM hashes of the victim machines. Now that we have captured the anti-LM v2 hashes, the next step is to crack it. For this, we will use the Hashcat, a powerful password cracking tool. We will be using a wordlist attack to we will use a Rocky wordlist to attack and guess the password. So first, let's create a file that contains the capture hashes. You can do it by just copy and pasting. Yes, copy, and in the new tab, just go to desktop, create a file like hash.txt, paste and save it. Now, just you need to mention hashcat -m. -m is for the module. So I just show you the different module. which Hashcat have. Okay, so here you can see we captured the NTLM version 2 hashes and the module is 5600. So according to the hashes, you need to mention the module and we give a row queue a simple file. Just enter, click enter. So Hashcat has successfully corrected the password. So you can see the password is password 2. In real world attack, it would give the attacker's valid credential that could be used for lateral movement or previous pressure. Now that we have seen how dangerous this attack can be, so let's talk about some defenses. So there are few steps that you can use to protect your network. So first of all, you need to disable LLMNR protocol. So by disabling the protocol, you can prevent this attack. Second thing, use SMB signing. So enabling the SMB signing make it harder to attack the relay and get the credentials. Third thing is use a stronger password. Here you can see our password is very weak, so we can crack it within few minutes. So always make sure you can use a strong password. That's it for today's video on LLMNR poisoning. We have covered the vulnerability, how to exploit it using responder, and how to crack anti-LM V2 with Hashcat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more offensive security tutorials. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.